Former union ministers and Congress leaders Jairam Ramesh, Anand Sharma, and Shashi Tharoor on Monday slammed the UK's COVID-19 related travel rules, under which Indians vaccinated with Covishield would still be treated as unvaccinated, reports PTI. Jairam Ramesh said the rules smacked of racism. Tharoor said that because of the restrictions, he had even pulled out of a debate at the Cambridge Union Debating Society and from the launch events for the UK edition of his latest book, The Battle of Belonging, published there as The Struggle for India's Soul. Sharma urged the Prime Minister's office to take a stand against the UK's double standards and cancel the proposed India-UK trade talks. Passengers, including Indians who aren't recognized as being fully vaccinated with the authorized vaccines and certificates under England's international travel rules, will still have to take a pre-departure test, further PCR tests on days 2 and day 8 of arrival, and self-isolate at their given address for 10 days upon entry, according to the rules. Tweeting on the restrictions, Congress leader Ramesh said, "Absolutely bizarre considering Covishield was originally developed in the UK and the Serum Institute, Pune, has supplied to that country too. This smacks of racism. It is offensive to ask fully vaccinated Indians to quarantine. The Brits are reviewing," Tharoor said. Former Minister Sharma said the UK government's decision of not recognizing fully vaccinated Indians is discriminatory, racist, and deserves strongest condemnation. Covishield is same as AstraZeneca in UK, manufactured under license by Serum Institute of India and exported to European countries including UK. WHO has approved it too. A humiliation of India, the world's largest vaccine manufacturer, Sharma said. Indian students and citizens are being harassed and fleeced for exorbitant tests, the Congress leader said, urging the office of the Indian Prime Minister to take a stand against UK's double standards and cancel the proposed India-UK trade talks. Sharma said, "From October 4th, the current traffic light system of red, amber, and green countries based on levels of COVID-19 risk will be scrapped in the UK and replaced with one red list only. The scrapping of an amber list, which is what India is currently on, means reduced cost burden for travellers, especially for the Indian diaspora vaccinated in the UK, related to compulsory PCR tests. However, an expanded list of countries whose vaccines are recognized in England does not include India, which means that Indians vaccinated with Covishield would still be subjected to the restrictions mandatory for those unvaccinated. This new two-tiered system in the UK is expected to stay in place till the end of the year, with a further review planned for early in the new year." News Desk, Kaumudi Global.